Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about certain principle of good drafting. Whenever we draft a document, it is very much essential for us to draft a document in such a way that it will impact the reader in a positive manner. But the question arises here that how we can do that. This article will help you to understand and identify these principles, and by applying these principles you will be able to differentiate between relevant part that you have to mention in your draft and irrelevant part that you have to avoid. This article will help you to overall grow your skills of drafting. So let us begin. Drafting a document or draft is a process by which you mention all relevant fact which was arises from cause of action and which opens the door to approach court for the remedy. Drafting are of two types, criminal and civil, and when we talk about civil drafting, the examples are plain written statement, writs and petition. So let us talk about these important 5 rules that we have to apply. The first one is concise. Whenever we talk about drafting is not always about bulky, lengthy and numerous document. If you can explain all relevant fact in much more concise way, it will strike a positive impact on the reader's mind. And it is much more easier for reader to understand it, and it will make their task less lethargic. So let us talk about second. The second rule is clarity. You can only make your point clear to the reader if you yourself has the clarity about the things that you want to convey to the reader. It is most important for you to be clear about the fact which you want to convey to the court of law. The third one is avoid mistake. It would be worse to commit a mistake in a draft. It leads to a negative impact on the reader's mind. Although it is a minor one, and sometimes it happens that even if we are aware about it, still happens. So be sure to read it with full awareness so that you can avoid these type of mistakes. The fourth rule is courtesy. While we draft a document, we mostly consider to have an attacking side, to strike the opposite party with allegations and how they violate our right. But one should keep in mind we may not lead to affect the courtesy of the court, and also we should allege things in a decent way, and by doing that the opposite party is much more interested in listening us and understanding our part. The fifth rule is logical arrangement. The most important thing while drafting a document is to differentiate paras of document in such a way that each para shows separate individual fact in a complete manner. These paragraphs should be arranged in such a way that as a whole they complete the entire sense of what we want to convey to the reader. So these are some 5 important rules that one should keep in mind while drafting a document. The draft should be concise, it must be clear, it should avoid mistakes, it should maintain the courtesy of the court, and there should be a logical arrangement between the facts mentioned in our draft. So that's all for today. We will meet you in another video. Till then, goodbye.